single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, another wee dog. Hello. How you doing? Good, and you? Good to see you again.
You just went in, we only got out like 10 meters.
We might need snorkels.
The other thing as well,
Gotta come back. Get your gear off and...
Okay, there we go.
Is it in gear, Callie? You don't want it leaning on that.
it's like that because
It's because the brake's on. How many socks have you got on?
Look, my friend. Ali, before you do anything, Ali, let's just make sure we can get it floating first.
Tied on.
It is fucking tight. We're not going anywhere. Enough to go all the way. Okay.
You have to bring it, tie it here, take it across, and you've got to bring. You have to bring it back and leave it as it was. Huh, Callie? Check the electricity poles.
It's stopping it floating away.
Let's get started and I'll...
So,
Hey!
are you going to get my stuff?
No.
This is the risk, by the way. They've got everything they need, and they might.
He looks like a ship's captain.
There we go, Callie, standing on the back like. Right? You. Canyon down there.